So, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I'm going to say you have to make an intro for free. No panzoid, okay? Don't worry, if you don't like panzoid, the right video. So, in the search bar, you're going to place it, intro maker. Place it in intro maker. Then, yep, that's the one. Now, this one looks kind of good. Let's open this. If we click on it, I'll take it directly to that. And then for let's see, user text, I'll put music because I created a video for how to create your own logo, and for that I made a logo, music logo. You know, this about creative art stuff. I still just made one. So yep, now that's music, and I'm gonna crop. I'll crop it. And there are even some liquids over here where we can change the colors. It's kind of good. I will change the colors to red, I guess. Not that. Yep, that. Yellow. Then the orange. This one I want dark red, and I'll put a dark orange for this one. Yep, it's loading, and now we can't really hear the music right now. But after we make our own changes, then we can hear the music. So I'm gonna put, oh yeah, it's less sound. So we've gotta wait for it to load. So let me just go to another tab and wait for it. Still processing. I'm just now cutting out the video to combine again because I know last time. There you go. Let's put it all back. Yeah, it's kind of good. I like it. But now we need to download it, so we go to the top and press download. But what's the thing is it'll ask for money. So you can just press get the free watermark low resolution video. So yeah, that's what I did, and I'll play it again. I can add my channel name and everything. Yeah, it's kind of good. I like it. So anyways, thank you guys for watching my video. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment down below. And don't forget to click the notifications bell. Bye!